All right, we got some Harbor Freight clearance here. Got ourselves a deer. And we got thumbnail. All right, so we got some, these are 1/4-inch drive, but they're extended sockets. I think I got this, they're deep sockets. I think I got this for $4. Definitely worth it. Yeah, there's no, like you would just cut them over here, and then you could just put these back on this. So they got a peg over here stopping it. Anywho, this is why we're here, ain't it? Anyways, ooh, that's a deer. Ooh boy, that's a deer. There it is. On the weakness. Alright, let's check this puppy out. Is this a puppy? No, it's a deer, that's right. Alright. Oh. Diagonal pliers. That looks like a wire cutter to me. Ain't no pliers. Oh. That's kind of small. You got some crimpers. Yeah, so that goes in there like that, and you got some deer thing. We can come over here and yeah, there it is. What do we got here? 5mm. Okay. Oh, idiot. It's just the end ones, I guess. Wow. Ain't that big at all. This is how you're supposed to do this. The thing is my stuff. Pretty sure I could do what I want with it. Alright. There's the 8mm. Alright. Oh, right to a 10. Deep socket 10. Oh yeah. There's your 12. We get ourselves an 11. Ow, these hurt. These are for small hands because the handles are so small. That really hurts doing that. Pussy. Yeah, I'm just saying. It's digging into my bone right there, bro. Digging into my bone. Yeah. Oh shit, how long are we on? 5 minutes. So yeah, there you go. Yeah, this is antler ears. Yeah. There it is, bro. Cool.